Good morning, Lucky. He's so excited. Are you ready for your breakfast? Yeah. Good boy. So sweet. And look who we have over here. Mouse is in the chicken spot. Spike is seeming to be very confident. We're gonna serve breakfast and see how things go. All right, good boy. You want some chicken? I'm gonna sit in the spot today. You gonna come up for some chicken? Good girl, Mouse. Spike! Are you gonna get in on this? You gotta go for it. Oh, we were so close. Lucky is very happy to be out and about this morning. We're gonna go to Wilshire Heights Park and then the disc golf course. Great morning. I love walking around this time because the mist has cleared and there's other people out and about, so Lucky can see other dogs. It's a good time. Oh, we're pooping. Lucky is already starting to slow down. I've checked his paws to make sure he didn't get any, little pieces of stiff grass, which is very common to end up in their paws, but he doesn't have anything in there. He has very healthy hair between the pads, so protecting him. So I think he might just be a little tired. I think we're gonna keep the walk to a half hour today. He's just got a very sleepy vibe today. Good boy, Lucky. Doing well. He has made a point to mark absolutely everyone's garbage cans. See, he doesn't even have anything left in the tank, but he's got to try. Good and tired. Not really keeping that much distance from me. Whenever we start these walks, he's always at the very end of the leash, but I can tell he's getting tired, so I'm glad we're keeping this only half an hour. He seems satisfied. Just got back from our walk. Lucky's rehydrating. Mouse is hoping for chicken. And Spike is watching the morning. All the neighbors. Mouse, would you like some love? She let me rub her head earlier, but I think she might not. Okay, there we go. Who's a good girl? That's a sweet girl. Yeah. Lucky, do you want some loves? Come here. You want some petting? He really likes a good back scratch when we get home from the walk, but it only lasts a second. Who's a good boy, Lucky? And I know Spike's around here somewhere, but... He's a good girl. You gonna say bye-bye? I gotta get going soon, but it's nice to see you, my dears. Lucky is ready for a nap. And Spike, I think he went back into the tree. Let's go check. You gonna show me where Spike is? You gonna tell on him? Sometimes he's up in these cubbies and it's very cute. No Spike. And look how nice these litter boxes look. I swept up yesterday and the kitties were very kind and didn't knock all the sand back out. Well, I am not quite sure where Spike. There. He was hiding all along. Everybody's doing well today. Gonna put Lucky out in just a moment. They are all set up for a very relaxing day.